What's up, everyone? Today we're interviewing John Crestani, who is a master performance marketer, affiliate marketer, whatever you want to call him. He's great at what he does. You're going to learn a lot. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and sit down and get into it. Hey everyone, so today we're going to talk about how you can get started with affiliate marketing with my buddy here, John Crestani. So I think it might be helpful, John, for you to give everyone a little context on kind of who you are and your background with this affiliate marketer, performance marketer kind of thing.
Sure. So for me, it started, I was working at an ad agency actually. When I got out of college, I was a PPC analyst. And I was just managing people's AdWords campaigns, and I took on some of my own clients on the side. And what happened is one of the clients I took on said, okay, we'll pay you your base rate, but we also want to give you a percentage commission if your advertising leads to increased business for us. And I said, okay, I won't say no to that. You know, I was like, oh, you know, usually I charge a percentage of spend. And I was like, okay. And what ended up happening is that percentage commission ended up becoming $10,000 a month, then $25,000 a month, then $50,000 a month. And I was only making, you know, five to $10,000 for my entire agency. So over a few months, I ended up delivering so well, it just, you know, and then I said, okay, how do I do more of this? And I learned it was called affiliate marketing. And I was just like, okay, I'm an affiliate marketer and I'm gonna choose my clients and I'm gonna work on a performance basis.
I love it. And so how do you get started with affiliate marketing?
You need to work out a performance deal with the company, or you join an affiliate network. I mean, it could be as simple as, you know, you talk to a local chiropractor or dentist in your community and you say, hey, if I do some Facebook ads for you and, you know, you get new customers coming in with, you know, some discount code or some coupon, you know, give me 50 bucks or give me $100.
Right.
And
if you get a couple hundred, then you're making a couple $1,000 a month.
You get a couple hundred, yeah. You pack their, you know, you pack that location and you pack a couple other locations. Yeah, you have a business, and it's a very easy, very simple arrangement. Or you could go to an affiliate network like ClickBank, or you know, even Amazon has affiliate programs, Uber does, Walmart does. There's lots of options, but basically you're just, you know, you're working on a performance basis, and yeah, that's how you get started. It's very simple.
All right, so if you enjoyed this video and you want to continue to get better at marketing, make sure you leave a comment below. Let us know what you're going to do about this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and also subscribe to John Crestani's channel as well.
Yeah, check it out. This guy is the master. Definitely learn from this guy.